Welcome to our fun maths class. Today we are going to learn subtraction. What is subtraction? Subtraction means taking away or finding how many are left. Don't worry, we will learn it in a very easy and fun way using our fingers. Now everybody, open 5 fingers like this. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. We have 5 fingers. Now we want to subtract 2. To subtract 2, bend down 2 fingers. Now let's see how many fingers are still standing. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Wonderful. 3 fingers are remaining. So we say 5 minus 2 equals 3. That means when we take away 2 from 5, we have 3 left. Great work, kids! Now let's learn subtraction in a fun pizza way. Are you ready? Let's start the calculation. What is 3 minus 2? What is 6 minus 2? What is 9 minus 3? What is 5 minus 4? What is 6 minus 6? What is 8 minus 4?